Lesson 4-4A, Inequalities. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to translate word sentences into inequalities and graph the solution set. Today we're going to be working on graphing inequalities. So if we take a look at x is less than 34, and we're wanting to graph that, we would use a number line. We don't know what x equals, but we know that it's less than 34. It's not 34, so we're going to circle 34 and leave that open because we know it's less than that number. And then, since it's less, we're going to draw an arrow going to the left. It's including all of these numbers along the way. It can be any of those numbers all along the way, but not 34. So we leave that open because we know it's not 34. So whenever you have a number that it says it's less than or greater than, you're going to circle that number and leave that an open circle because it's not that number. So let's take a look at another example. If we have x is greater than 30, we're going to circle 30. It's not 30, but it's greater than. It's any number greater. We don't know which one, so it goes to the right because it's greater than. And we draw that arrow going that way. So it's greater than, we don't fill in that circle. So now we're going to take a look at another example. If we have s is greater than or equal to 100, and we need to graph that. We see this equal to right here, which would mean 100 is in the solution set. 100 could be one of the answers since s is equal to or greater than. So we're going to circle 100 just like we did last time, but the difference is this time we fill it in because it could be 100. It could be equal to. So we fill in the 100, s is greater than or could be greater than also, so we go in the direction to the right and put that arrow to say it could be any numbers heading up this way, including 100. So that closed circle means that the number is in the solution set. So let's take a look at another example. S is less than or equal to 150. We have this equal to right here, which means it could be 150. That could be the actual solution. So we need to include the 150 in our answer. So we circle the 150 and we fill it in because that could be, it's equal to or it's less than. Then it's less than, so we make our arrow going to the left all the way down. Make that an arrow showing it could be any number heading this way. So go ahead and rewatch any parts of the video that you need to, and have fun with today's math lesson.